See, prefab came in handy. This is where I wanted the corner. But instead of drilling holes or anything, plop that right in. This thing's under tension, hasn't moved. Hope this gives you a good idea that this is possible. You can save 18-20 bucks on the little braces they make for this. And if you got a welder, weld this right up and pop it in place. This would be really good for a temporary fence. 3 T-posts is all needed, and the kicker you can probably cut in half because I did that out in the forest. I was able to make 2 corners with 1 less post. All you got to do is cut off this ear on a little bit on one side, just weld up the corners. Same way with down here. I probably hammer it in a little bit deeper. This is going to take a lot of force this way. Do it to where this face is being pushed, because you want this wide to stop this from leaning. Same way with this one. You want that flat piece to where it's going to resist the pull. Also, this is a very strong way to put this. Now normally I use the cedars on my property. Decent, they're pretty heavy duty. But getting even my little tractor back here, digging these up, cement, cutting these upright, it's time and money. Drilling the holes, pouring cement, cutting the logs, tying in the logs. Those are all steps that I have to keep coming back and forth. If I can just put them in one time, I'm good to go. And then I can concentrate on the rest of the fencing as I go.